Another Power Ranger. And this white. And all the Power Rangers. The old Power Rangers. The older Power Rangers. It's the older Megazord. Go. Welcome my YouTube channel. I am Tana. Welcome my Power Ranger.
Okay.
Well,
What's the name of your Power Ranger?
a Megazord.
Megazord.
Hey, I got
It's Beast Morphine.
yeah. Well, hey,
Let's take it out from the box.
yeah.
Here.
I need to open this.
No, this one. You have to open it.
Oh, I don't have it too.
Oh my!
He fall down.
It's so funny.
Well, and it's not open yet. Another, yeah. And this one too. In the here. No, this one. No, this one.
Now your hand.
That is.
It's all gone.
Wow, it's a sword. Yeah.
What's that, Jen?
A sword.
Where's the sword? Show
Here.
it. Show it. Wow.
He's cutting like scissors. I got it. Thank you. Yeah, another one. And then, yeah. It's not open yet. It's not open. Yay! Yeah! I did it!
So funny.
Hi, I did it. I got thank you. And this one too, a Rex.
Yeah, the legs.
Yeah,
Wow, that's so amazing.
I forgot the Rex. She said, I can put the other Rex. That was great. This small for Rex. This cannot fit. Cannot fit.
You can't put it properly.
Like this?
You want that to help?
Oh,
You do it. You can do it. That's it. Press down. Press down.
ULTRAZORD, ready for flight.
like this?
Fasten your seatbelt.
So, yeah, you press it down.
Hey, Ranger.
Probably
fly
this
us
one
around.
here.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this. Yeah.
There you go. You do it.
Oh,
You do it, Daddy?
Please,
so
ULTRAZORD
easy.
attack.
is it so easy?
Yeah.
No, you gotta put it in. Wow,
Wow.
you're so good.
Hey, Ranger. Fly us around.
Hey, we forgot the. Oh,
Wow,
it cannot fit.
it will fit.
No, do it. It can fit.
You can have to do it here.
Yeah, like that. Yeah.
So probably
Hey, I want to do it.
you do it.
No,
That is your this one here.
me.
Okay.
That like this.
Probably that
Probably
one.
that one.
So
We'll have a
No
look.
way. You have to put it there.
like this.
We'll have a look. See if it's gonna be like that.
Oh, hey, me.
Or this one is gonna be in the. So I'll try first, and then you can have a
No,
look.
me.
You check the box.
We'll check the box. How does it go?
It's there, look.
No.
Yes.
Morphin time.
No. No.
ULTRAZORD ready for flight.
Like
Fasten your
that.
seatbelts.
No. It cannot fit.
Hey, Ranger,
Mommy.
fly us around.
Fit.
Like the Megazord.
Hey, Ranger,
Construction.
fly us around. Fly us around.
Yeah. This is squashing. You have in squashing.
Hang on, Jem.